Well, I've been messing with this little Dune Master again. Like I said, this really is one of my little favorite cars. I just haven't been very happy with the way it runs right now. I already messed with the diff one time before. I hate these little clips. I put thicker diff oil in it, and that didn't seem to help at all. So I did the opposite earlier. I went ahead and cleaned it all out, and just put some diff grease on it. The Kyosho made it real smooth and easy now. But I've also noticed too, these tires, I don't know if you can see it in the camera, I haven't ran it that much and rarely run it on concrete, but they're really showing wear. So something else I may do once I try out what I did with this diff. I got these right here off of Taming. I'm gonna go ahead and put them on while I'm out there also and try that, see if that helps. Like I said, this is a fun little car. There's a cool little build also. Easy little build. Just hate those clips. And I know last video I got this good little brushes set up here, 2S and 3S, and I got an email a while later saying I guess the ESC can't handle 3S. They must have been having problems or whatever. So I had to put a little sticker on here now. It says 2S only. So which is 2S is just fine for this little car anyway. It ran. I can't remember what the speed was on it, but it was quick enough for it. So this is a 2S only now, but no big deal at all. Like I said, still a good little car. But like I said, I want to take it out today. See if my work on the diff helped any at all. And I'm going to try it with these tires first. And then I will put that other set of wheels and tires on it too while I'm out there. And see if that makes a difference. I'll connect all that when I get out there. But yeah, cool. I'm gonna take this one out, and then I'm also gonna run this one too. This is another little Kyosho that I just love. A lot of fun. This one just runs great, and it's got the same motor set up that ran 2S and 3S. But of course, I can't run 3S now. But I think on 2S, this thing was close to 40 miles an hour. I think so, which is still a little too much for this car. So it'll be fine the way it is. But cool, so we'll head out, go try the Dune Master, and go run this one out a little bit. So y'all hang tight.
Few moments later.
Alright, let's see if it made any difference at all. It's still hard to control. Put those other wheels and tires on it. Alright, put the other wheels and tires on it, which actually look pretty cool. Those wheels and tires do look good on there. Seems to handle a little better, but it still wants to spin out. You got to be easy on the throttle when you take off. Actually, it's better with those tires. Figures. Alright, let's get the Scorpion out, play with it.
Something actually worth it. I wanna look in the mirror and like what I see. I'm sick of feeling so worthless. You wanna sink or swim? I'm gonna go down swinging. Look deep within. I get lost in the feeling. I just need a win. I'm going off, I know it's time to make a change, and I can take the pain. You wanna sink or swim? I'm gonna go down swinging. Look deep within. I get lost in the feeling. I just need a win. I'm gonna find my meaning. I can make a change. I wanna play the game. You wanna sink or swim? I'm gonna go down swinging. Look deep within. I get lost in the feeling. I just need a win. I'm going
these tires were an improvement. It actually did a lot better. Still not 100%, but it did a lot better, these tires. Definitely a lot more grip with those knobbies compared to the Kyosho tires. They just, like I said, they've already got some wear on them. So I'm not, I mean, I like the white wheels and everything else. I like that look. So I might have to find something similar to this with white wheels on it. You know, I do like these aluminum wheels. They do look good on here. But, and maybe it needs to be brushed. Maybe brushes is too much for it. Maybe I need to run a taller pinion in it. So I don't know. I can't remember what size pinion's in it, so maybe I need to bump it up a few teeth. Maybe it'll take off better. I don't know. But like I said, these tires did help it out quite a bit. But anyway, I appreciate everyone watching the video. And if y'all got any ideas or just, you know, had experience with this, let me know. Fire up the comments. But y'all be good and take care.